In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix voice chat SDK in Mobile Legends. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Verify basic requirements. Stable internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can disrupt voice chat functionality. Make sure Mobile Legends has the necessary permissions to use the microphone and access the internet. Step number 2. Update the game and SDK. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and ensure Mobile Legend is updated to the latest version. Update Voice Chat SDK. If you are using a third-party SDK, ensure it is the latest version. This could involve updating the SDK in your project if you are a developer. Step number 3. Clear cache and data. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to Mobile Legends. Tap on Storage and then tap on Clear cache. Clear data. In the same menu, tap on Clear Data. Note this will reset the app, so you will may need to log in again. Step number 4. Reinstall the game. Uninstall Mobile Legends. Go to the settings, then go to apps. Then go to Mobile Legends and tap uninstall. Reinstall. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download Mobile Legends again. Step number 5. Configure in-game settings. Open Mobile Legends. Navigate to settings. Go to the main menu and tap on the gear icon. That's called settings. Voice chat settings. Ensure that the voice chat option is enabled. Adjust the microphone and speaker volumes. Step number 6. Troubleshoot SDK integration for developers. Check SDK documentation. Review the latest SDK documentation for any changes or updates. Integrate the latest SDK version. Download the latest version of the voice chat SDK. Replace the old SDK files with the new ones in your project. Configure SDK permissions. Ensure the app manifest include permissions for the internet, microphone and any other required permissions. Initiate the SDK properly. Follow the initialization steps or as per the SDK documentation. Error handling. Implement error handling to catch any issues during SDK initialization or usage. Step number 7. Test voice chat functionality. Join a game. Open Mobile Legends and join a match. Test voice chat. Try using the voice chat feature with your teammates. Ensure your microphone and speaker are working correctly. Step number 8. Contact support. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, contact Mobile Legends supports for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the issue and the steps you are already taken to resolve it. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.